Today I am going to explain the ways to correct the measurement error. In our previous videos, we have already discussed the types of error in measurement. There are mainly three types of error in measurement, that are gross error, systematic error, and random error. How to minimize errors in measurement? Once you understand the main forms of experimental error, you can act on preventing them. The further explained precautions will help you to reduce measurement errors and yields the most accurate results. Number 1. Ways to reduce gross error. A proper care should be taken in reading, recording the data. We must be very careful while taking reading during measurement. Point 2. By increasing the number of experimenters, we can reduce the gross error. If each experimenter takes different reading at different points, then by taking average of those readings, we can reduce the gross errors. Ways to reduce systematic error. Double check all the measurement for accuracy. Example, for checking your blood sugar level, first take the reading from your own glucometer, then recheck it from the lab and compare it. Double check your formulas are correct. Take the measurement under controlled conditions. Example, a spring balance might show some variation due to fluctuation in temperature. Environmental conditions like dust, temperature, humidity can affect the result. Measurement should be performed under standard environment. Properly train lab staff. Make sure observer and measurement takers are well trained. Use multiple measures for the same construct. Example, if you are testing for depression, use 2 different questionnaires. Calibration. It is the most important point to reduce errors. It means to correct or adjust the graduation of something that measures in comparison to certain standard. Example, to calibrate is to set a scale to 0. Use quality equipment. It is paramount to reducing systematic error. Make sure you are using an updated and precise measuring device that doesn't have any defect. Always try to use the instrument with highest precision. I can better explain the term precision with the help of this example. You know your true height is exactly 5'9". You measure yourself with a yardstick and get 5. Your measurement is not accurate. You measure yourself again with a laser yardstick and get 5'9". Now your measurement is accurate. If you consistently measure height as 5 with a yardstick, your measurements are precise. Ways to reduce random error. Taking repeated measurement. Measurement should be taken a number of times. Then average of all measurements will give you the most accurate result. Plotting a graph to establish a pattern and obtaining the line or curve of best fit, the errors are reduced. Maintaining good experimental technique. We must use latest and innovative techniques while performing experiments. At last, I want to discuss importance of measurement in everyday life. Measurement plays a vital role in everyday's life. Measurements are so often taken for granted, we sometimes do not appreciate the grand importance measurement play in our lives. Let's take some example. Taking proper medicines. If you are ill, you need to take your medicine in proper amount. If you take too little or too much, then you are not going to get the proper benefit from it. Second example, cooking properly. Can you bake a chicken at 600 degrees? Well, you can, but the result would be pretty catastrophic. Purchasing clothes. If you weigh 200 lbs, you aren't going to look stylish in an extra small shirt. So measurement is important in purchasing clothes. Playing sports. If you want to throw a runner out at first or make a 30-yard touchdown pass, then rarely need to be accurate and comes from a clear sense of depth and distance. Overall, it may be said, measurements have been carried out for as long as civilization has existed. Metrology is basic to the economic and social development of a country. It is concerned with providing accurate measurements which impact our economy, health, safety, and general well-being. Thanks for watching.